Really knows how to work a hose. I'm talking about washing the parlor now. What are you thinking about? Ow!
That's what you get. Instant karma.
It smoked my head on that bar. Did not feel good. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Mom and I are milking cows this morning. I got out here a little late. Dad just left. He helped her get started. It was like 15 minutes late, but you'll have that sometimes. Yeah. Long week. But got the milk pumping, and we'll see how the morning goes. These are just about done. Nice. Like seeing numbers like that. That one's okay. Really like seeing numbers like that. Oh, these on the other side are coming off now. You might be wondering why that cow has orange tape on her ankle. That's because she takes a long time to milk. So she's sitting at 8 minutes right now. She'll probably be on for at least 10. She's got a couple minutes to go, so we try to get her on. Her be the first cow that gets a milker put on her. That way, well, she gains a few minutes while we're prepping the others, and then it evens out. Just about done with first group. Here I'm gonna go feed calves, and I guess Mom and Dad are gonna try to work together. Hopefully Mom don't kill him.
Takes a lot of patience.
A lot of patience.
Yeah, 35 years.
Yeah. Good luck. Well, just got done feeding calves. Looks like they're still rocking and rolling in here. Got a list of cows to dry up, so I gotta go check them and put some spray paint on them. Got one here. We'll be drying these up tonight. No, she's not.
She could get dried up, but we'd rather not deal with her anymore.
She is marked. Catherine and the kids just made it out here, so Addie, looks like Bauer's taking care of the babysitting. Addie's got her little jumper thing, bouncer, whatever you want to call it. And Waylon's out here eating Lucky Charms and mixing feed. He's got quite the setup. He's got a, I think that's a 380 Magnum on his mixer, and that's I think that's a 624K deer loader, or maybe a 724. He's pretty big time. Hey, can I have a bite of cereal?
Yeah.
Ow! Thank you. Yeah, to get a little bonnet put on since she keeps ripping her hat off. Oh, Michaela came out to say hi. Michaela's our freeloading sister.
Okay, she brought supper on.
I'm just kidding. She's just working from home today. She just wanted to be part of the big family fun out here.
I just want me on video. This is my good side.
Yeah. No, Michaela, do you want to make a bid for a boyfriend right now? It might reach the right crowd.
We're good on that. Well, maybe I can make a bid for her. Okay. Good morning, Addie.
Yeah. Michaela lives in Minnesota, so she's home for Easter weekend. Not that she isn't home every weekend, but she came home a day early since it's Easter this weekend.
Hi, baby.
So, hey, you?
What?
You can go. We got this under control.
You're too busy running the camera. How are you gonna know that?
Pretty simple. Yeah. Go take a nap and whatnot. Oh no, the baby's gone. No, she just got promoted to riding on my back. She didn't like it that we were walking past her, so now we got a carrier on the back, which is not a bad thing. She rides pretty good back there, but normally she rides on Catherine's back. Oh, Catherine's back is a little sore. I've been carrying her around the last couple of days.
Good morning, everybody. Paul is finishing up milking, and I am going to go set the locks on the heifers. That way I can breed. I have 2 to breed this morning, and then I'm going to wash some stuff, and then we're going to clean up milking. So I got all this stuff in here that I'm washing. I got the bucket for milking, our calf feeders, some bottles, and then the pail that we use. We just use pipeline soap to wash all of our calf stuff, and then I'll just use the same water to wash the milking buckets and stuff. So yeah, I'm just scrubbing stuff up, and then we will clean up the parlor.
Milking's all done, got the wash cycle rolling here. We got the first rinse, so looking good.
Let me show them Addie.
Okay.
Addie is out.
Addie's taking a nap and just rubbing it in that she can be sleeping on the job.
She's gonna help Paul spray down the parlor. Not at me. Stop.
Just a waving at Grandpa. Alright. We gotta help him back in. Stay here. Can you go in the barn? Yeah, go in the barn. Okay. Can you stay in here while I get that ready?
Yeah.
I'll be back. Not quite as much stuff to hurt him in there. But anyway, about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we're gonna start grinding corn here. Then we gotta get the cows sorted out to dry out. A little more. Yeah, that'll work. So I think Dad and Nathan fixed a few things in the bull barn. I had to work on my vehicle. Put a new water pump in it, thermostat. So that was most of my late morning, early afternoon, and now we're doing this. So we'll get this rolling and probably go sort out the dry cows, or the cows that we're going to dry out. What's up, Pesty? Waylon's showing Grandpa everything. Showing him that the free choice bicarb tubs are empty. That one is over there. I don't know about this one. Oh, this one still has some. Hey, stay here. Kid wants me everywhere but where you want him. All right. You want to ride on the gate? Yeah, climb up there. Yeah, stand up. There. You can ride the gate, okay?
All right. You know, the key here is don't fall off, right?
Do you want to get him and I'll keep track of him?
Yep. That's fine.
Got 16 cows we're going to dry up. Hold on. Stay on there. Keep riding. What, you want to go with Grandpa?
Yeah.
You're going to get run over. You're not big enough for them to see you. You got to stay on the gate. Or go play in the feed. We're going to get them all sorted out. Marked them this morning, obviously. I think I showed you guys that. So, get them. Waylon, get out of there. Come on. All right, you go out. There. I think we got the last cow out now. Waylon's sitting in the back of the Ranger.
2371, I said?
Yeah.
She's on here.
Oh, well, I did not paint her with that little bit of paint.
That little bit. Yeah, all right. I'll bring her. Oh, this way up the back.
I like to use plenty of paint. Make it easy.
Make it in there. There you go.
Gonna get them all loaded into the palpation rail and give them their second dose of a vaccine that we do before they get dried off. It's a two-shot vaccine, and they got the first shot about 2 weeks ago, and now they're getting their second shot.
Okay.
There, we got them all loaded.
Did you call them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16.
17.
Yeah, that's that Boyceville math. But anyway, this vaccine helps with udder health, right?
Yep.
Yeah, this vaccine just helps with overall udder health. We've had really good luck with it. Now we're getting the parlor all ready. Get all the jetters pulled off. Toss them up there. And these jetters are just what gets the wash water, all the soap and stuff, to run through the unit. So we can put them on at the end of every milking and take them off at the start. And you just gotta go through and tap all these buttons to get them from the wash setting back to just regular milking. And almost forgot the most important part. Turn the air compressor on so that the cows can't just push straight through, because without any air you can just push straight through them. Michaela's watching the kids right now. Did you give him his bowl?
No, he wants cereal. He went and found it.
Oh, well, I didn't wash it yet from this morning. So.
Yeah, I know. I told him I had to wash it.
And we need milk. There's no milk in the tank.
Yeah.
Alright, you want cereal? Alright, I'll take Addie so that Michaela can wash it for you, okay?
You want to go to Daddy?
Are you ready to milk again?
No.
Take 2. Didn't have enough air pressure built up, and just like I was telling you guys about, the cows just walked straight on through. So we had to let them all 4 of them went out, 4 of them stayed. Now we gotta reload them. Dad's getting the pipe in the tank. Addie's all strapped in. She's ready to start milking. What's that?
Are they almost done over there?
I think so. Alright, I need a pail.
You had one in the cooker? Is she done?
Mom's getting the dry treatment squirted up into the udder. It's cows is all getting their final milking for about 2 months. And then they'll be, and they'll have a calf, and then they'll be back in. So the last time I filmed about drying up cows, I had a guy tell me that I wasn't doing it right. I show the way we do things. May not be the way everyone does things, but it's the way we do them. And we don't have issues with the way we're doing it. That guy, he said that we weren't doing it properly because we weren't using a teat sealant, and also we don't use the alcohol swab. But the teat is as clean as it'll ever be right when you get done milking her, so I don't really see the need for it, but difference of opinions, I guess. So yeah, I just show things how we do them. There you go, ladies. Enjoy your well-deserved vacation. Rocking and rolling on first group. Catherine just showed up. She was taking a nap. Unbelievable, ain't it? I'm out here slaving away with 2 kids. Trying to keep track of 2 kids. Waylon was out here too. But I'm trying to keep track of 2 kids, and she's napping. Unbelievable. Okay, she was actually just in town doing
Easter shopping.
Last minute Easter shopping.
Mm-hmm.
Getting stuff ready for baskets.
Died if they had to do it, you.
I probably would have.
I took the hit. Good.
Fantastic. We got the A team.
You're the A team? Only because you have Addie.
I guess that helps.
He's gonna be rolling.
Yeah.
Waiting on a slow one again. But yeah, Catherine was was in town getting stuff, so I guess we'll let it slide.
It was crazy.
I believe it. You ready to do my sweet dipper trick?
I'm gonna go unload that. I think I got a mix for dry cows, grower barn.
Everyone?
Yeah, pretty much. Oh yeah, yeah, pretty much everybody.
You can let them go, probably. Yeah. All right. Well, you go mix your little heart out. We're gonna keep milking.
All right. You guys get where you can't handle.
Addie's really jumpy back there.
Yeah, keep one.
He wants to do all the farm things. He's trying to put your tongue away.
In no time here we'll have all 16 on once Nate gets her on. Goes fast with 4 people, I guess. How are your crackers? Hard to talk?
Yeah, I need a 7-14 gallon.
How many
Yeah.
you got in there?
You could not do
more.
You could
Oh, I
not do
believe
the
that.
7 saltine
I
challenge.
Why not?
would think 2 is not even a challenge there.
It's like a little hard to breathe.
Yeah. Sounds like it.
So what's 5 more?
Lots of milk flowing. Beautiful sight.
Are you talking about me? Thank
Sure.
you.
Yeah. Both.
Look at all that.
Cooking right on through to group 2. Might as well let more cows in. Would you get out of my way? Come on, girls. spraying down milk curds, getting jitters put on. Catherine's spraying down the top. We'll be done in no time. I'll switch all these over from milk to wash. So you just hold this button for about 5 seconds. Switches over pretty easy. Some vacuum there. Yep. Sucks it up through the jetters and back into the line. Gets them washed all nice and clean. Pretty slick.
Bon appetit!
Last thing we gotta do is change out the milk filter. Oh my god. We'll just set that up there, I guess. See what we find today. Not too bad. Just a little bit of sand and sawdust.
Satisfying.
And then get brushed off the teeth might be good enough.
Look at that spring. So satisfying.
I always wanted to put these springs on my shoes and have moon shoes.
At home moon shoes.
See if I mess it up. Usually when I'm under pressure, all of a sudden the sock is too small for the spring.
Today it is not.
Today it is perfect.
Under pressure.
Getting the good angles. For sure. There. Well, I think that'll do it for this video. Catherine, send them out.
If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe, like, comment.
Tell us what we did wrong.
Don't tell us what we did wrong.
I mean, you can or you don't, whatever. But thanks for watching. See you on the next one.